Something that I see in quilt makers a lot is when they have, you probably see it with the kits, but I see it in a little later stage when they've already pieced the quilt top and they don't know how to quilt it or they can't afford to hire someone to quilt it. Somehow having those quilts that are pieced but not done is a bit of a weight. And
Hmm.
it's a creative stifler. I don't even know if that's a proper word, but that's what it feels like. You feel like you should. You should get them done. You should be giving them away. You shouldn't be shopping. You shouldn't be starting new things. And all of those things do have weight on our shoulders. So
Yes.
I'm kind of on a mission to help people get the thing quilted and not always give it away, but that is what we quilters mostly do. Give it away because that feeling is so good. So this is what one of my presentations is about. I call it Sew It, Quilt It, Love It, because that whole process of just getting it all together done is so wonderful. Whether
Hmm.
or not it comes out perfectly, you might be starting at a kindergarten level with quilting, but that is where we all start. And just the
Yes.
process of pressing through it and getting it done and the reward of that weight disappearing. One more thing finished, one more thing you
Right.
can give away and someone loves is so, so good.